Director of MiChem Dynamics.
My name is Vinay Mudli, and I work alongside Santi as co-founder and director of MiChem Dynamics. We are here to introduce our company, MiChem Dynamics, and explain to you the services that we have on offer.
To tell you more about how MiChem Dynamics started, after spending 12 years in the medical, food and environmental industry, we established a clear vision of services that should be provided to address the opportunities within these industries. In 2014, MiChem Dynamics was established. The team consists out of qualified microbiologists, auditors, and experts in the laboratory and food safety management systems.
MiChem Dynamics offers a comprehensive list of services which include training, auditing, and consulting within various environments such as laboratories, food and beverage manufacturing, and the health and safety industry. We pride ourselves in providing our clients the highest quality, professional service with the help of our dedicated MiChem Dynamics team. Our company profile focuses on the following two areas: laboratory services and food safety services.
With regards to laboratory services, we offer consulting, auditing, and training. We've realized that laboratories don't always understand the importance of their role within the food safety industry. We've developed a turnkey solution to ensure full compliance to ISO 17025. We provide specific consulting services tailored to your needs to ensure compliance to laboratory standards. This includes assisting you to develop a management system and identifying causes of deviations within your system. Our auditing services will then verify your level of compliance to these standards, and that includes internal audits and gap audits. Staff competence is the key to continuous compliance, and MiChem Dynamics can provide you with public and in-house courses that are CETA accredited and SACNAS and HPCSA certified. A point to mention is that MiChem Dynamics partnered with a well-established LIMS provider, Labman, to ensure a software-based solution for ISO 17025 compliance.
Another key focus area of MiChem Dynamics is the food safety services. Considering the risks associated with food manufacturers and consumers, MiChem Dynamics offers a turnkey solution to various food safety standards. These include Regulation 638, HACCP, ISO 22000, FSSC 22000, BRC, and FSA, to name a few. With regards to consulting, we assist with the journey towards compliance and, in the end, certification to the relevant standards. Our auditing services consist out of internal and gap audits that will verify the level of compliance. We provide in-house and public training to ensure competence of staff that will give confidence to continuous compliance.
We hope that this gives you insight to the services that MiChem Dynamics offers. The MiChem Dynamics team look forward to hearing from you should you require any assistance, support, or guidance.